Good night, and welcome to another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt right here on Jamaicans.com Facebook page. Look here, this will not be a long show, so make sure you hurry up and come in. And as you come in, tell me where you're connecting from. I'm connecting from the beautiful city of Montego Bay, right in the island of Jamaica. And if this is the first time you're watching my show, first thing I'm going to say, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Kwanzaa. Look here, bless up to all my Jamaicans everywhere you are, right across the globe. Thank you for tuning in. Now, Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt is a show that I do right here on Jamaicans.com every single week. Kind of look different this week because yeah, your girl is holding the camera. Kind of forgot her tripod, but we're gonna rock it same way. And it's a show where we talk about current affairs, particularly those related to Jamaica and Jamaicans. So sometimes news coming out of Jamaica, top stories, and international stories related to Jamaicans. But this week, it's gonna be a little bit different. We're going to be doing things a little bit different this week. We are going to just be reflecting on that very important time of year. It's important for me because it's family time for me. So, my question to you, before I get to that though, big up to all my loyal people who always tune in. If you are, if you've always connected, please let me know that you're here. Comment below, and if this is the first time you're connecting, please tell me where you're connecting from. All right, now my question to you, did you get that Christmas gift? Did you get what you asked for? For me, I didn't get what I want. And although I didn't get even though I didn't get what I want, I'm still, how should I say it now? I am still grateful for what I received, and I'll get to that shortly. But I want to big up Donnet from CA as in Canada or CA as in California. Which one? And D McNeil, sorry, from Florida. Hi, thank you so much for connecting. So yeah, keep those comments coming. Did you get what you want? Happy holidays to you too. Did I just say holidays? Holidays. Annette Carvalho, thank you. You are a regular viewer and I appreciate the support. Before I tell you what I got and why I'm not mad that I got it, I am going to talk a little bit more about why this season is so important for me. I think it's important because it's a time where I get to spend more quality time with my family, right? I get to eat more food, I get to eat more fruit cake, and I get to have sorrel on demand, like non-stop. And I'm a foodie, and I love that. I love how Jamaicans celebrate the holidays. So let me just put it out there. I have a huge family, and they go all out. So trust me, it's important to me because my family is very much important to me. But I must also stop and recognize those people who didn't quite get that experience this year as a result of COVID-19 and being unable to come to Jamaica. Like, I know many people wanted to visit the island for the holidays, just to spend some time with their family, even if it is that they don't celebrate Christmas, and they didn't really get that experience. There may be also people who wanted, I don't know, a bonus or a promotion this year from their job, and they didn't quite get it because the company was downsizing or is still downsizing. And I know there are some people who probably wanted to get married this year, who have found them engagement ring, and this is probably the 4th year, and they're like, when are we going to get married? When are we going to make it official? And it didn't quite happen this year. And I know there may be, this was me last year, there may be a lot of women, right, who are just so antsy at this moment because they're past this 2nd trimester, they're in the 3rd trimester of their pregnancy, and they're just waiting to pop, and they're you know, there's always a hope that you're gonna pop on Christmas Day or one of those days, so that, you know, you can probably, it can mean have a greater meaning for you. And that didn't quite happen, or you're still waiting. So I know it's a difficult time for many. Let me not forget that there are people who lost loved ones this year, and that in and of itself took a toll on you. I can speak personally that I have lost loved ones, thankfully not from COVID-19, but just losing anyone who you truly how should I say, who you truly love. It's a great loss. So I completely understand that you may not get to experience Christmas with that loved one this year, and that was a bit rough. But despite all of that, my message for Christmas, in addition to telling you to eat all of the Christmas cake and drink all the cereal, be grateful that you survived 2020. Be grateful that you survived 2020. 2020 threw us for a leap. Let me tell you something. You see, if you're never strong, you're stronger in a 2020. And I think just being able to survive, even if it is that you can't go so lavish this year, you can't buy the ham, you can't prepare more than two sets of meat, because you know Jamaicans, you have to have the chicken and you have to have another meat. You can't just have chicken alone, or chicken and fish, chicken and pork, chicken and ham and curry goat, managed water. You may not be able to do all of that this year. Didn't get to do it yesterday, but Christmas, the holidays are here. And for some of us, we're able to spend it with close family and friends, right? For some, that is not possible. However, we are still here. You are here. So I had to remind myself about that when I didn't get what I wanted. And that is spending time with the ones who really mean the most to me. Look here, for the people who me spend time with, don't bother feel say, you know. But I think in reflecting on this experience, I've also learned that, look here, 2020 is a hard year for the whole of we. So the fact that you survive it and you're present mentally and physically, and wholly you have to give thanks for, because not everybody got that opportunity this year. I want to jump into the comments right now to hear what you're saying, to see what you're saying. Nettie is tuning in from Maryland. Hi. And Kamala from New Jersey. Is that Kamala Harris? I'm joking. All right, Nerissa, Merry Christmas, Ashley. Have a wonderful and joyful season. Thank you, Nerissa. I think Nerissa is connecting from a Caribbean island. Wayne Beckford from Blessed Holidays. Thank you. We're connecting from Wayne. Jennifer, I reunite with friends. Let me tell you about them something there. This year was the year of friendships, renewed relationships. There were some rocky experiences for many of us when it comes on to our interpersonal relationships, but trust me, you can't tell me say I never learned about relationships this year. Yeah, thank you for that, Jennifer. Andrea says, hi, Ashleigh-Ann, blessings for the holidays from Brooklyn, New York. Hi, Andrea, thank you so much, and blessings to your family as well. Big up Andrea, because Andrea called me by my correct name, Ashleigh-Ann. Thank you. Look here, and I must also say thanks to you for making my 2020 so memorable. This year was it was a very interesting year for a reason with Ashleigh-Ann. We were on, then we were off, then we were on, then we were off, and yeah, it was very interesting. But I'm glad that we're on now, and we're gonna stay on, right? We're gonna work on staying on. And I appreciate the commitment that you've made to this show. So I won't be able to do another show until the new year. So I'm gonna say, hold on, I cannot miss out on this one, our last night of 2020 together, right? So I won't be here for long, but I just wanted to share with you my Christmas message, my holiday message. Because I know so not everybody celebrate Christmas. No worry yourself. I only celebrate it for the two things: food and family. That's it. Wayne says, connecting from Tampa, Florida. Thank you, Wayne. So yes, I think 2020, if it is that you are still breathing, you're still breathing, because you see, to measure, to use material wealth as a measure of success, or you know, it for this year, nah. The fact that you're breathing, the fact that you are here present mentally, you have survived 2020. 2020 was another year for everybody. Uptown, downtown, round town, middle town, upper class, lower class, middle class. So the fact that you survived it, you're here with me, you will continue to be here, right? You did well. You did well. Even if it is that you could only afford to put together a regular meal for your children or for your family this year, you did an amazing job. There are countless number of people who aren't able to do that this year. And I think it's just, you see, the thing is, Christmas is so commercialized. You feel so pressured. The marketing plan, it's strong, man. You feel so pressured to go all out. Hey, there will be more Christmas. There will be more holidays. But your family members, your friends, they may not be around all the time. So make the most of it. That's my message. And that's why, even though I didn't get what I wanted, I'm still grateful for all that I have received this year. All the love, all the support. You understand? And I will continue to be grateful, because I know I have more to receive and I have more to give to you. Andrea says, I am Jodian's aunt from Raytown. You hosted my Christmas treat one year. I missed this year because of COVID-19, but hopefully 2021. Look here, Andrea, I was saying it to Jody. Let me tell you, Raytown, please tell me the name of the organization. It's eluding me now. Raytown Christmas treat for the kids. It's an amazing experience. I remember hosting it, and it was really nice. I hope to do it in 2021. Indeed, I did mention it to Jody just recently, so thank you for bringing that up. I think it's an organization out of New York that organizes it. Very well done and much needed, you know. Noel Tate says, connecting from Holland, Japan. I want to get this correct. Okinawa, Japan. Thank you for your inspirational comments. Thank you so much, Noel, for connecting. Our time in Japan, I'm sure it's Sunday morning. So I won't be here for long. I really appreciate connecting with you guys. And please, look here. Even if you don't see me reply to your comment in the week, when I do go through the comments, please know that I appreciate your support for a reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. We're only going to grow. We're only going to get better, right? And we're taking you on the journey. Next week, God's willing, we're going to be doing part 2 of our year in review show. 2020 year in review show. I postponed it this evening because it's family time, and I wasn't getting the support that I think I should get, right? So bless up to the people who originally committed. They will be here next week with me, January 2. But I say, I have to check in with my Jamaicans.com people just to, spend the last Saturday of 2020 with them, Saturday night. All right, let me tell you something. We are going to make it through 2021. Me no phone already I worry about 2021, because what you've seen happen, how much your plans were derailed in 2020. Don't worry about what has not arrived. Focus on what is here now. It's going to be taken care of. You will be taken care of. You'll be okay and you'll survive it as well. 2020, we made it through it, and we're going to make it through 2021 as well. Bless up yourself, big up your family, love on your family, and love on yourself, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Let me see what Sharon says. Sharon Sankofa says, hello, Ashleigh-Ann. This is my first time signing on. Thank you so much for having a spirit of gratitude. We've been through a lot this year, but we are here and there are many opportunities ahead. Thank you, Sharon. I want to pronounce his name correct. Sharon Sankofa. Sharon. All right. Thank you so much for your comment. I want to pick up the people this year who helped others to make life a little easier. For me, through my organization, Live Well Jamaica, we were able, big up to Jamaicans.com for giving me that push in terms of promoting it as well. We were able to award 25 families, about 25 families, grocery grants valued at Jamaican $20,000 each to assist them, families severely affected by COVID-19. So they were able to visit the supermarket and get those essential items. These are families who were either the breadwinner lost their job, didn't have a job, have a critical illness, and the family barely is surviving. I was blessed enough to partner with Nurse Tia Hamlet coming out of Canada on that initiative, and we did it successfully. Out of that, I was able to forge a partnership with Caribbean Bone Marrow Registry, Mr. Arthur Dunk, pick up yourself, and we'll continue working with his organization on initiatives like that. So look here, big up to the organizations and the individuals who helped Jamaicans and even people outside of Jamaica to make life a little easier in 2020, because it was just a lot. Andrea says it's the Raytown Old Boys Association from New York. Big up to that organization doing amazing things in Raytown, in Kingston. Valda says, first time connecting from where? Where are you connecting from, Valda? Jennifer says, Happy New Year to you. Hello. Jennifer, we're still in 2020. But Happy New Year to you when it comes. I know I won't be able to see you on that day, but I will be connecting with you the day after. And thank God, Valda, indeed. So I won't be here for much longer. Really appreciate the support. Look here, we're gonna make it through. We've made it through, and we're gonna make it through 2021. Bless up yourself, bless up your family, love on yourself, and love on your family. And until next time, come reason with me.